Hi friends, welcome back to Blessed as Navina Raj channel. Today we are going to prepare chicken roast. So we have to marinate first. So I have cleaned properly 4-5 times, and I also cleaned with vinegar water as I told you. Usually I clean with vinegar water or lemon water. So this is red chili, 2 teaspoons. This is coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon. This is turmeric powder, half teaspoon. This is garam masala, half teaspoon. This is chicken masala powder, just half teaspoon. That's it. This is salt as per the taste. This is ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 1 small lemon, I'm just squeezing that. So when it comes to masalas, I have added very less, you can see. I'm not going to add anything else. That's it. It's going to go for marinate at least for half an hour. As I told you, UAE chicken is little bit easy to cook, so I don't have to marinate at least 1 or 2 hours. For me, this chicken half an hour is more than enough. Sometimes if you want to add curd also, you can add. Make sure there won't be any water in this, because when you marinate, water also will release. So now this is vessel already. I have put, I think, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 medium size onion, 5 to 6 green chilies, very small. So I already started sorting out. See, this is still needs some time. So now it's done, I guess. So we can go for chicken. Yeah, see, can you see any water even though I marinated for half an hour? So for chicken roast it should be like that, because initially from this also water will release. So I'm going to cook on medium, little medium. I mean not sim completely or not medium, maybe in between, for at least 10 minutes. So that water will release. As I said, usually in my other recipes, I cover the lid, but fry roast I don't cover, because if I cover the lid, that water after evaporation, those will release and it will become water. So after 10 minutes, again, more than medium flame, I mean high flame, between high flame and then medium flame. I kept another 5 more minutes. So throughout this recipe, I have not covered anything. So I just cook like this, maximum, medium and then high flame. See, now only the texture you can see, it is almost cooked. I just have to cook another 5 to 7 minutes. That's it. See, now it's the time to add coriander leaves. And then I cooked for another 2-3 minutes. You have to cook this last 2-3 minutes, you have to cook on high flame, so that the color of the chicken and texture will come very nicely. See, I'm going to keep another 2-3 minutes, as I said. See how it changed. Very simple, very simple. The complete process, it just took 20 minutes. That's it. I am going to dish out this. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe if you are watching for the first time. Like it, share it, comment. Stay healthy, be safe at home. You also try this. It's very easy. You can have with dal, rice, amazing combination, or you can have with roti. So please try and then let me know in the comments whether you also got the same thing. It is absolutely, see, I'll show you the vessel also. See, not even single drop of oil you can see. I used very less oil. That's why you are not seeing any oil. So that's it. That's it. So friends, don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you and God